Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Tesla. Ticker symbol's TSLA. If you've been living under a rock, you don't know that, but now you do. So Tesla is one of the leading EV manufacturers in the world, in the US, everywhere, almost. Maybe not China. Hard to say. Yeah, I think NIO's got them beat. Anyway, they're ramping up everywhere. Great products. I really like their stock a lot. So, I've been dabbling in their stock a bit. I've been doing that for a long time because they do have some pretty good premium associated with their stock because they have massive moves from day to day. At least they could. So we're going into options expiration week on the monthly expirations. So typically we see Tesla go down in expiration week. But I did have a cash covered put that I did a diagonal on. It was at a 780. I rolled it down to 765. Go back and check that video out. And I did that for a credit of like $1,000. So not a bad credit, okay. But going into expiration week, I got a little nervous. I'm like, okay, Tesla's probably going to go down, and technical indicators are kind of supporting that a little. All right, so we do see this positive number here it's riding above the 20-day moving average. It's riding above the 200-day moving average. Bullish indicator for the stock. Good. We move down to the MACD. Now, it's a different story. It's been a little bit of a mixed bag this week. Not much up or down movement on either side. Current market sentiment is down, as well as market sentiment for the stochastic. The stochastic is also down, but you can see it's a little higher. It moved higher. So it's really hard to predict where this stock's going to go this week. I think it might go down. I'm not sure to what level. I think it's probably going to go down, hopefully not below 765, but it might. So you guys have to stay tuned to see what I do with that cash covered put, because there's a lot of money on the line here, right? You get 100 shares, and it's $76,500. So that's, to me, that's a lot of money. Okay, so these hedge fund guys, just dropping a bucket, it's nothing, right? So, but to me, it's a pretty good chunk of my portfolio. I don't know, 10% or whatever it is. Maybe less. But that's why I've only been doing one option at a time with Tesla. It's pretty much all I can bear with the buying power that I have currently in that account. So whether it's a covered call or a cash covered put, I've been kind of going back and forth. I got called out on my stock a couple weeks ago, and I sold another cash covered put at a little higher price. But I feel pretty confident that Tesla's been kind of marching higher. You look at this 200-day moving average, it's been pretty steadily increasing. It might be flattening out slightly, but once it hits this $900 mark, that is where some major resistance is going to happen. So it's going to take a lot to break through there. I think it's going to take a lot to break through the $800 mark. I mean, it doesn't look like there's a lot of resistance at 800, but that's a big number, and I think there's going to be some resistance here. You can see here there was an 800 floor it bounced off of, and then here there was a little bit of resistance going down. And you can see here it bounced off 800 before. So it definitely, 800 is definitely a sticking point. If it gets past that 800, I think we're free to go to 900. And then on to our $1,500 mark. And then eventually the $2,500 mark. Probably 2025 time frame. With once Tesla gets their solar stuff squared away, once they get their manufacturing mega factories squared away in all the different locations, and they get their production issues worked out with the Model X and the Model S, and they bring out the Model 2, which is not really the Model 2. I don't even know what it's going to be called. Alright, this guy's a little cagey sometimes. Said it's not, Model 2 doesn't exist, if you've been following what Elon has to say. But there's something that's coming that's $25,000, and I can't wait to see what that is. Alright guys, hopefully it'll be good, no matter what. Tesla makes good stuff. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think about Tesla, and follow me for more technical indicators and updates. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.